are at oh my goodness, I forgot the name. Buntun Bridge in Tugigaraw. This is the Cagayan River, and this, I think, 2 kilometers. It crosses the River. It crosses the Cagayan River, and we are leaving Tugigaraw. And today we are going to arrive at Santa Ana, Cagayan, our final destination in our road trip. So, see you in the road.
Buntun Bridge is the second longest bridge in the Philippines, and it connects Tugigaraw City to Solano and vice versa in the Cagayan province. It is said that it is long enough that you can recite Lupang Hinirang, the Philippines' national anthem, while walking across it. This is one of the checkpoints that we passed going to Santa Ana, Cagayan.
Finally arrived at Santa Ana. We traveled around 3 hours, I think. Yeah, 3 hours from Tugigaraw City to Santa Ana. And we checked in at Country Inn by the Sea, Country Inn and Hotel. And it took us almost 3 to 4 hours. We wanted to see Calao Cave, kaya lang close pa daw, so we have to go back to the main highway, and that took us another 30 minutes, so nadagdagan sa travel time namin. So here we are at Santa Ana, and we're going to eat dinner first at, hold on, it's the only seafood restaurant that I can see in Google Maps. Here, I think you can see it over there. There you go. Dampa Seafood Esperanza. They have a lobster. I'm gonna show you, and it only cost 750 pesos per 500 grams. So that is very cheap compared to the price in Metro Manila. I'm gonna show you their menu. So this is their menu. Lahat yan ay paluto. They have talakito, Philippine shrimp, squid, tuna, crabs, and lobster. So that's the lobster. 750. Oh, they have a minimum order. Oh, they also have, yan yung mga luto na pwede nilang gawin. And this is their lobster. The lobster is not as big as Metro Manila, but I'm so excited. The last time I ate lobster was in Batanes, I think. And that is one of my favorite foods. Pero super expensive lang sa Metro Manila and in the south. So, every time may nakita kaming lobster na mura, we always try to get it. I have to throw this mask on. It's so dirty na. Anyway, we're gonna eat, and then I'm going to show you our room at Country Inn and Hotel. Kami lang din ang customers, so they gave us this private room. This is the private room, and I'm gonna show it to you. So we have open room.
This is what they call retired.
By ourselves.
Pauunin natin yan pag di natin naubos yan.
May bagoong kayo, ate. Meron po kami. Sige.
Asan yung soft drinks?
Wait, isa.
Ang dami rin kanin.
Lobster. Saan ang nakakita ng lobster?
Doon nga sa dampa.
Hindi, sa States.
Kuya, ano? Hindi, unang-una kong lobster.
Doon nga sa dampa. Kaya natin nagbayad ng mga mahal.
Hindi pa ako kumakain. Dampa ng Manila. Hindi pa ako kumakain nun lang kasi nga mahal. Ayaw niyo bumili. Meron tayong binili ng mahal ng mura at so, we are at the hotel. Nakabook kami sa Country Inn and Resort, and we got room number 3. That's good for groups, I think. So, ito ang itsura niya. we're just only 3. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami ang beds dito sa room na to. So, upon entering, we got bed number 1. This is queen size. Then we got bed number 2, single. And then right over here, Tyran! We got 3 single beds. So that's 5 beds in total. So my ref, and then my TV, my towels provided. Merong water and toothbrush, all the necessities sa hotel. And then there's trash cans that's segregated to different categories like non-food, used PPE, and food. And then this is the bathroom. I always do a room tour in bathrooms, right? So this is quite a huge bathroom. But entering, meron tayong toilet bowl, of course, and a sink, and then it may bidet. Lahat ng hotel namin may bidet. Diba? Tapos, sa ikot nito is yung shower room, shower area, which is huge, humongous. Like, it's super huge. And, yun, merong hot and cold shower. So, maganda naman. That's our room. This is our home, away from home. Here in Santa Ana, we're gonna stay for around 3 nights or more or less. So, 5 beds for 3 person. Oh my goodness. I think we got it for 3,040 something, 3,040, and that's already with senior discount. One more thing. Walang internet, so they decided na ipahiram. And one of our decisional factors ng pagdi-decide na pag-choose ng hotel is the internet. So, sabi nila, mahina daw internet dito sa taas. So, they decided to ipahiram sa amin ang isang Wi-Fi, so broadband. It's a Globe broadband. So, yun ang room namin dito sa Santa Ana. Look, merong balcony over here. And then there is a, I don't know, hangout area. So that's the main country inn. We are at the 2nd floor. Nagbababa kami ng gamit actually right now. We are settling in after dinner. Oh, grabe yung dinner. Ang dami ko nakain na lobster. I don't know if that's lobster or crawfish. Oh no, I forgot my mask! So yun, kinuha ko na yung mask ko. And we're going down the stairs. Ito yung tsura niya sa lobby. So this is the lobby. So meron silang event hall. Then this is the registration or check-in area. Hindi yung restaurant. Yun, nagdi-discard kasi Papa. I'm gonna show you one of their kubos by the beach. So ito yung likod niya, pero medyo glary because I'm using the front camera sa cellphone. So I'm gonna reverse it. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. So romantic yung aura. So, hindi lang ito yung kubo nila. Meron pa din doon. Then there. And then meron din doon. And then meron din doon. Meron din doon. Pero this one is quite huge and nearest sa beach, I think. So, meron 3 tables. And there's this wooden table that I think overlooks the beach. So, narinig nyo naman yung beach, diba? So, I'm gonna show this to you. I'm gonna show you tomorrow kung anong tsura nito. What is that light over there? It's not focusing anyway. So, merong another resort here in Santa Ana. Ang pangalan niya ay Blue Coast. I think yung owner of this resort is magkamag-anak sila. Sabi ng worker is that one is anak ng may-ari nitong country inn. I'm gonna show it to you tomorrow.
The next day.
So merong hangout place and this is the view. Grabe. Ganda talaga ng dagat. So, black sand siya. And there you go. So that's the beach house. This is our hotel, the Country Inn. And then doon pa malayo is the blue coast. Oh wow, the waves are huge. Santa Ana for 3 days. Nakabook kami for 3 days. We might extend it more for a few days. We still don't know. That's the Palawi Island. And I think doon pa malayo is the Babuyan Island where the Batanes Island is located. Pumunta kami dito because my dad wanted to drive from Luzon, from the south to the northernmost part of the Philippines na connected sa mainland. And here we are. But first, before anything else, here's a drone shot for you guys. Labas ng hotel namin. It's kind of rough road right now, pero I think they're developing it. So, ang name is Country Inn Hotel and Restaurant. Sabi nila, marami daw kumakain dito na locals. And the food is good. I'm gonna show you their kubos beside the beach. And it's very al fresco. I'm gonna show it to you. Oh, wait lang. Look. I lost my heart to the sea. Yes. May mga kubo that you can kunin para dun kayo kumain. Don't be dead. Wash your hands, your mask, and stop the spread. So I was quite surprised. Nakita ko yung menu nila and I was surprised na marami silang menu choices. I'm gonna show their menu to you. And I was really shocked na nasa dulo kami ng Pilipinas and it's very quite remote and they have all of these foods not available. Yeah, so this is for their breakfast and dami na pamimili and they also have budol breakfast. No wonder pinupuntahan sila ng mga locals. And then homemade dim sum. Meron silang special. I might order this later because I'm craving for a burger. They have salad. They have pizza, all kinds of flavors ng pizza. And then my appetizer. May rice, of course. Filipino loves rice. And then, tingnan nyo naman, ang daming pagpipilian. May pasta, may pancit, may noodles, may steaks. And then may fish, may shrimps, may prawns, may crabs, squid, pork, beef, scissors. Oh my goodness, lahat na available. And of course, their drinks. Diba, ang dami. Tapos ito, I think this is the reason why pinupuntahan siya ng mga locals. So, meron silang budol menu, budol feast menu. That's good for 4 person and above. So, ito yung tsura niya. Actually, I'm gonna show you their other menu. So, yan, oh. Makukuha mo yan lahat for 1.6. They have one much cheaper pa. Yan, 1.5. So, meron ka ng kanin, may liempo, tatlong longganisa. It's great for groups and barcadas. This is 1.3, much cheaper. Oh, diba? Yan pa. 1-2, mas mura. Boodle tea. So, ito yung breakfast boodle nila. Oh, ang dami namang kanin. May white rice. Grabe, pang umaga to. Ang heavy naman.
Day 3.
This is our third day here in Santa Ana. We are checking out. We had lunch first and then we are checking out right now. This hotel, this resort, ang laki ng kanyang restaurant area. Most locals, ang daming kumakain dito. Ang daming pupunta dito para lang kumain. And ang laki talaga. Like, I'm gonna show you. Like over there, may mga kubo-kubo pa sila. And then this one is their large area for dining. And then meron pa dun sa likod ko, like, enclosed area to dine in. Then there's over there, parang meron pa silang event area. We ate there one night when ang lamig-lamig ng panahon. So I didn't expect that malamig dito sa Santa Ana. Like, it's beside the beach. It should be tropical and hot, right? But anyway, sabi din daw nila na this is one of the rarest time na konti lang yung kanilang guests. Like, this is a tourist spot daw. And ang dami daw na bumibisita dito. Ang dami daw nag-check-in. So, I didn't know that Santa Ana is a tourist area. And, oh yeah, hindi namin napuntahan yung Palawi Island. It's been raining for 2 days. Nakapag-drone naman ako. Huminto ng konti yung ulan. And we decided na next time na lang yung Palawi Island since it's not officially open for tourists. And nagtanong-tanong kami sa mga boats kung open na ba, and they are not sure. Hindi pa nila sure kung open talaga. And kung if we ever find a boatman na magdala sa amin doon, they are not sure kung papapasukin kami doon and if they will allow na mag-tour kami doon. So anyway, yeah. I gotta close this vlog. I think this vlog is too long already. Travel kami from what? From Pangasinan? From Pangasinan to Bontoc to Tuguegarao and to the northernmost part of the Philippines na connected sa mainland. The northernmost part of the Philippines is Batanes, by the way, and we've been there. And I think konti na lang yung layo niya from here sa Santa Ana. So, napansin nyo na kahit nandito kami sa pinakadulo ng Pilipinas, we are still following safety protocols for the COVID-19. We are still wearing masks. We are still wearing face shield pag kailangan na pumasok sa mga malls. Kahit maubusan na ako ng hininga. Anyway, I gotta close this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below what you think about our road trip and what you think about our hotel. Watch out for my next travel vlog. I'll tackle what we are going to do here in Santa Ana, which, by the way, we still don't know what we are going to do. Technically, pumunta kami dito kasi ang dad ko really wanted to conquer Santa Ana na makapunta dito through land travel. So, he successfully finished it. Ngayong retired na siya and he is so happy. So, if you are staying here in Santa Ana or if you are looking for a hotel here in Santa Ana, consider staying here sa Country Inn. They have lots of available rooms and meron silang bungalow. Actually, dapat bungalow kami magstay, kaya lang my mom wanted to stay in the main hotel na right by the beach. So actually, bungalow is right by the beach too, but she prefer more the room. So, but the bungalow is best. Like, it's great for family, it's great for groups. Meron siyang kitchen, meron siyang 2 bedrooms, meron siyang dining room and everything in the house, so you won't have any problem. Doon ay meron siyang parkingan if you have a car. So yeah, see you in my next travel vlog. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!